Hey, first grade, it's me again. I bet you're getting really tired of seeing me all the time, but here I am to teach you a little bit more about phonics, and I have a special guest today. I want to see if you recognize him. Are you ready? Look who came back to join us for phonics today. Rashid, he's back. He's back because he wants to teach us something. And so we have really been studying names, right? We learned a little bit yesterday about how to study a name. And it's really important that you're able to write your name super quick, and that you're able to form the letters correctly, and that you're able to write the names of the people in your classroom or your family members so that you can write names really quickly, to write a quick note or to send a card. You want to be able to write your name quickly and correctly. So we're going to practice with my good buddy Rashid today. We're going to practice writing his name and forming our letters properly. So I'm going to switch for just a moment to a chart. Not that chart, this chart. And we're going to practice writing Rashid's name. And so if you look at my chart, it shows you how to make the letters in his name. So let's think about Rashid. Rashid has an R at the beginning. And so I'm going to take my board and I'm going to write the R for Rashid. Now, if I'm looking correctly, it says the first thing I have to do is make a line down, and then a line back up, around, and slant line down. Not too bad, right? I will tell you, this is really an awkward way to write, so if my handwriting isn't perfect, that's why. Mrs. Bluette's going to get all over me if my handwriting is not good. But I'm doing the very best I can. So we've got the first letter for Rashid's name. Now we're going to take a look at the lowercase letters in his name. So we know that first letter always has to be capital because it is a name and names are important words. So the next letter we're going to look at is letter A. And it says I have to bump around like this, and then a line up and a line back down. So the next part of Rashid's name, and you know what, guys? I probably should have told you this. I'll pause for just a second, or you can pause this video. Why don't you go ahead and grab your whiteboard and your marker? I forgot we even gave you those. And you can write with me. That would have been a smart thing to tell you a second ago. So I'm going to pause for just a second, or you can pause my video. Get your whiteboard marker and get your whiteboard that we gave you, and you can help. I'll give you a second to write those names, or go ahead and pause, or write these letters. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, now that we're back and you're writing with me, let's write our letter S that comes next. I see our letter S on the screen, and it says we're going to bump around, slide down, bump around the other way, and stop. Pretty good? All right, the next letter in Rashid's name is an H. And we know that with lowercase letters and capital letters, we always start at the top. And so we're going to do a line down, back up, and bump around and down. Okay, does anyone remember what comes next in Rashid's name? Yeah, he has two E's in his name. So I'm going to make two E's on my board. We're going to make a little line out, bump back around, and stop. Little line out, bump back around, and stop. And then the last letter in Rashid's name is a lowercase d. So we're going to take a look, and it looks like the first thing that we have to do is bump back around and stop. Line up, line back down. Not my very best writing, Mrs. Bluette, but I'm sitting at an awkward angle. Rashid, that's his name, all written out. So what you're going to do today is we have put this chart in your Google Slides, and you are going to take a look at it. If you can't read the words, that's okay. There's actually little arrows to show you how to make the letters. We want you to look up the letters in your name and practice writing it 3 times using the arrows and the directions that Rashid is teaching you. Sound like a great plan? I agree. Rashid, do you think we did pretty well today writing your name? He says yes, we did a great job. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Have a great day.